All right, we're gonna get in here, clean all this up, vacuum out the dust, and then clean up all this stuff as well, and go from there. So I just sanded and vacuumed this area. You can kind of see it's a little bit more clean. I'm gonna go in with the vacuum one more time. I wipe this down. It's still dusty, but I think it's just a dirty water drying. Vacuum this half. I know I still have this hole here, and I'm gonna do something about it, but just not today. So I'm just gonna see if this paintable. Once this dries, I'm gonna see if when I paint it, spray it down, see if that works, see if it does anything. I'm gonna take off these petals, and then we're gonna get to paint spraying. I'm just doing a test run to see if that looks better and if it works. Okay, so we're going to get this screw out. You can see. Yeah, that screw out. These are the tools I have over here. Use these two and go from there. See if they work. So let's see. That's not too bad. Oh wow. This is not even going in. Use the smaller one. See if that'll work. I'm not getting in there. Okay, so I painted this. Painted this. We'll let this dry. Looks decent. Cause I'm gonna paint the whole interior white. We're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do this side. Ooh, it's paint strong. Let it air dry. I'm gonna do this side. Clean all this up. Get all these ants and bugs. Literally the same thing I just did to the other side. Yeah. Take these seatbelts off. Just get all in here. Vacuum all up in here. All the cobwebs and things. So here is the cabin with the rust cover up spray. I had to yank that down, so there's that, but this is what it looks like so far. Other side. It's not perfect, but it looks better. I still have holes to fill. I'm very aware of that. It's just not my priority at this moment. I just wanted to also, like I said, today's task was to get in here and vacuum this out as well. And I think I will pull off this as well just to clean it, and then we're done for the day. This came off not in the best way, so you see that. And then I'll be painting this white as a primer. I don't think I am going to put carpet in here. I think I'm just gonna put like some type of just protective material, but not carpet. I'm not feeling carpet. Again, it's gonna be my project truck to pick up things. Just trying to get these screws off. They're so rusted in. And this is for the parking brake. They were not coming off. Looks like this is gonna come off though. I was yanking at it. Go back on the other side. Maybe some screws or something, but we're gonna get that off, finish vacuuming up this section, and we're done for the day. So I took this out. I want to paint it, but I also want to get back here and make sure any bug, anything that's alive back here is dead. So I got it out without breaking it. I have my car clip thing here, so that was helpful. And then I know this is like leaning, this bracket is leaning. I just want to see, and like I said, just clean a little bit more. I know bugs were all throughout here. And I just don't want to be driving one day and see something and know that it's been with me that whole time. Taking this off would be ideal, but I may just have to figure out how to patch it up somehow. Go from there. Because again, this is a budget project. It's not like a full gut type of thing. Gonna end the video here. Got the interior done. It looks better. Let me pull this up a little bit so you can see. Got the interior done. Cleaned up. Looks good. Get out the way of the light. Oh, that thing fell because that's not screwed in. Because I still want to clean. Got that hole in the floor, as you can see. I'm gonna patch this hole up and call it a day for today. I think we did good, and we're going with some white paint. And I'll probably leave it out there. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna put carpet in here. I think I'm just gonna do the sound deadening and go from there, to be honest. Just cleaning that out, clean this out a little bit. And this is looking better, less scary.